Shit, what up? You know I came to talk my shit, man. We don't believe. Let's go, man.
Alright, first flight with a GoPro. See how this goes.
We don't believe.
Hopefully we can go pro.
We don't believe. Let's go, man. Close a casket, it's a dumb job. These slabs fucking with the wrong guy. I ain't pull up to sit around and smile. Put my foot down. Cook and they look, but never show the spices. Need the flavor, but see what's mixing priceless. I used to weigh on devices, praying for my likeness. Don't be the knife in a hammer fight, you'll meet the light. Don't be the type, we was fighting for sport. Dodging the men in blue in court, no accepting a short. I need it all, baby, stacks of cash in the Mercedes. They was never waiting, just a splash, we flood the pavement. I often think back, relax as the wind breeze. Thinking how to kick it, get the wheel and flip the big cheese. If it ain't valid, then miss me. My team cop cribs, not Chinatown drip. Folks looking dingy. Once I get the torch, we commence the cleansing. Sucker shit ending, brain never lit pretending. I'm as Jersey as it gets. Not Italian, but know a couple wise guy vets who get paid to split heads. We are not the same. How we cut from the same cloth, but I've been the threat. Now I'm covering the game. Lames need a change. Class on official, cause that fake shit diminish like water through a tissue. Fuck the issues. Dudes can't scrap but showing pistols on Instagram to make you think they'll get you. We don't believe you.
No.
We don't believe you.
What happened?
Crash
Where?
in the field.
Out there?
Yeah.
And now I present to you the smoothest, tastiest macaroni and cheese you can buy. The butter and cheese is golden whipped by a special Blanco process that leaves it lighter than a cloud.
July 16, 1945, scientist J. Robert Oppenheimer was one of the first humans to witness the power of a nuclear weapon.
You just crash landed.
Right away.
Alright.
I just wanted to show what the fuck happened. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go dry this off. That's enough for one day. The things I do for love.